Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the Whop website. I'll explain to you guys essentially how can you permanently delete your Whop account. So let's jump right into it now. Be mindful that once you delete your account, you will no longer be able to get it back. All of your accesses, all of your payments and memberships will be completely deleted. So make sure to know that before deleting it. And now from the home page, once you're logged in into your profile, head on to your profile settings. And on the left hand side, make sure to enter the danger zone where you'll be able to delete your account. So by clicking on delete account, you'll permanently lose access to all of your products and all data. Type delete to confirm and then click on delete account. So in the bottom right corner, you will see that you must terminate all completed memberships before you delete your account. So once you go into your memberships down here and once you deactivate them all, you'll be able to delete your account. So make sure to be mindful of that. Finish the membership process and then delete it and your account will be permanently deleted. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.